Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequence or start.
150.
Securing Centaur at least 2.
Securing Centaur locked.
140.
Launch enabled. FTS armed.
T-minus 1 minute, 28 seconds and counting. The launch vehicle payload from ground systems to Eastern radar go for launch.
120. What that sound is.
Orca's armed.
FCS count started.
Age of
Across
Empires.
the water, 4 big poles. You see helicopters back there.
110.
Big, smaller, fat pole in the middle.
Seatbelts locked.
That's a rocket. Look there.
T-minus 1 minute.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Watch the pad. You could be listening to a delay system here. I'm not sure. That's the deluge. It's going. There you go. You see it?
Stabilize step 3.
It's on delay, so you're going to hear them count down and it won't matter. The rocket's up and going.
Where's the sound?
Now remember, the rumble is going to reach us here any second now. It's slow. It starts softly and it builds. Don't be alarmed. Here it comes. You'll be fine. There's no problem here.